Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. The session number is 10. So today I am going to solve the exercise number 2.3 from linear equation in one variable. So exercise number 2.2 already we have completed. Last questions are there. I will solve in the another session. Otherwise, I will just solve and I will send the PDF. Understanding? Okay. Today I am solving the exercise number 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Solve the following equation and check your results. The first main is only one main is there. Solve the following. What is the question? Solve the following equation and check your results. Equation and check the result. Okay. The question number 1 is, what is the question number 1? 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So, already we have learned how to find out the x value. But here we should find the value of x. How we will find out? First one, 3x, from this value it will become 2x, overall 8. Correct? Next term. 3x minus 2x is how much? X. X is equal to what? 8. Next term. What we should do? Verification. Correct? So how to do the verification? Substitute the value of x in equation number 1. 3 into 8 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 8. Next term. 3 is 24. Here 6 are 16 plus 8. 24 is equal to 24. LHS is equal to RHS. So this is your answer. First find out the value of x. Later on substitute the value of x in main equation. You will get both the sides same answers. If you get both the sides same answer, your x value is correct. Or we have to check once again. But here our LHS is equal to RHS. That's why our x value is correct. Clear, children? Okay, write down the answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 2? Yes, question number 2 is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. 5t minus 3 is equal to. Question number 2. 5t minus 3 is equal to 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. This is question number 2. Next, question number 3. The question number 3 is 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. Let us solve question number 2. Okay. So 5t, keep here only, bring this that 3t. So 5t minus 3t. This side, this is a plus. If we come this side, it will become minus. Next one. Minus 5 as it is. Bring that side. Plus 3. This is minus 5. So if you go that side, it will become plus 3. Clear done? Okay. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. 5 is more than 3. The bigger sign is what? 2. That is minus. Next one. T is equal to 2 will cancel. What is the t value? Minus 1. What is the t value? Minus 1. Let us do the verification. Verification. 5 into minus 1 5 into -1 -3 is equal to 3 into -1 -5. In the equation -5 -3 -3 -5 -8 is equal to -8. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, children? So both sides we got -8 and -8. Okay. I will solve the next question. 5x keep here only. Bring the 3x. So that will become -3x. Here plus 3x is there. If it will come this side, it will become -3x. Here 5 is there. Bring the side. It will become -9. Understanding? Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2x. 5 minus 9 -4. Correct? Later on, x is equal to -4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the x value? -2. You only do the verification. Yes, verification. You people only do it. Just I will give the value of x. The remaining verification you have to do. Okay, right on. Shall I rub? Okay. The next question is question number 4. So question number 4 is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Yes. Next, 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Question number 2. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Question number 3. From exercise number 2.3. Yes. Question number 3. Sorry. 4, 5, 6. Question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in the bracket x minus 1, 3 in the bracket x minus 1 plus 7 plus 7. So I will solve one by one. First one, 4z plus 3, 6 plus 2z. So solve this. The answer is 4z. Bring this -2. So -2z, 6. So 3 will go that side, it will become -3. 4 minus 2, 2z. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. Z is equal to 3 by 2. Correct? So I will do the verification here. Verification. This one only I will do the verification. Remaining sums you have to do. First, 4 into, what is the z value? 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 in the bracket, 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 threes are 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 is equal to 9, LHS is equal to RHS. So this is your fourth question, this is the verification. Okay, next one, question number 5. 2x is there, bring this side. You see, it will become plus x. So 14 is there, bring that side. It will become plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x. 14 plus 1 is 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. What is the x value? X value is 5. Clear? Okay. So I will go to the next question. Question number 6. So first one, 8x plus 4 as it is, because of there is no common brackets. Now 3 into x, 3x, 3 ones are 3. So plus 7 as it is. 3 into x, 3x, 3 ones are 3, remaining plus 7. Next, what do you do? 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x also as it is, 7 minus 3 plus 4. Why? 7 is more than 3. Minus to plus is minus. Don't take this value. Only take the constants. 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. 7 is more than minus 3. So what is the answer? Plus 4. Next term. 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. This 4 will go that side. It will become minus 4. Next term. 8x minus 3x is 4 minus 4, 0. X is equal to 0.5. X value is 0. Correct? So if you put the x value as a 0, so verification. Shall we do the verification? Yes. Verification. 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. Correct? Correct? Yes. 8 into 0 plus 4 minus 3 plus 7. 4 is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So both the sides we get 4 and 4. Your x value is 0. That's your right answer. Okay, write down children. Okay, shall I write? So writing the sums, pause the video and write. Okay. Next, question number 7. X is equal to x is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. 4 by 5 in the bracket x plus 10. Question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Question number 9. Question number 9. 2y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 2y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 26 by 3 minus 1. Okay, we'll solve one by one. So first one, x, 2x by 3, 2y plus 3 by 5. Shall we solve this question? X is equal to 4 into x, 4x by 5. Only multiply to the numerator. 4 into x, 4x by 5. 4 tens are 40 by 5. Correct? So first one, 4 into x, 4x by 5. 4 tens are 40 by 5. Later on, both the sides LCMs are same. So denominator same. That's why 5 is your LCM. 4x plus 48 will become, x will come this side. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. So bring this 4 this side. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. 5 minus 4 is 1x, 40 as it is. Okay, this question. So suppose this one 2x by 3. So bring this side, minus 7x by 15. Clear the next term. 3, bring this side, minus 1. So what is the LCM? 3 and 15 is there. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So LCM is 15. 3 5s are 15, 15 ones are 15. 3 5s are 15, 15 ones are 15. Next term. 2 5s are 10x. 7 ones are 7. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. Correct? 7 minus 10 minus 7 now 3x. 2 into do the cross multiplication. 15 will go that side. 3x is equal to 15 2s are 30. X is equal to 30 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. What is your x value? So the x value is 10. Clear, children? Okay. So last question means 9th question. 2y is there. Write 2y. This side minus y is there. If we come this side, it will become plus y. Next term. 26 by 3. Bring this side. Minus 3 by 5. Correct? So plus is minus. Minus will become plus. Okay. 2y plus y means 3y. 5 3s are. What is the LCM? The LCM is 15. 3 5s are 5 3s are. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 26 5s are. 5 is 30. Remaining 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 5 is 30. 0. Remaining 3. 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 13. Correct? Next 3 3s are 9. 3y is equal to 130 minus 9 how much? 121 by how much? 15. Correct? 121 by 15. Next one. Y is equal to 121 divided by 15 into 3. Y is equal to 121 divided by 45. Now both the values do not cancel by 3 because 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. Already we have learned divisibility test. 4 plus 5 is divisible by what? 3. But 121 is not divisible by 3. So 121 is divisible by 11 but not 3. So this is your answers. You people do the verification. So last question I will give you a homework. Try that. The homework question is, I'll go this first one. Just try to know home. If you don't get the answer in the online class only, just tell me, I will solve that. The question number 10 is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Will you solve that? Okay. Try, otherwise I will solve. Okay. So 2.3 is completed now. So only 10 sums are there. So all 9 sums I have solved. Only one question I have given for your homework. So in the next section I will solve the 2.4 exercise. So 2.4 exercise is again verbal problems are there. So we'll understand the concept and we'll solve the question and answers. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Safe, be home and be safe.